This is a video for introducing you to rock tawa, which costs 1300 approximately in the Indian market. And for that we are preparing to fry the chicken. That's a big process because we have to marinate the chicken first. Therefore the first shot is regarding the marinating of the chicken. So take the chicken, make some cuts on it on either side of the leg pieces. Put some red paprika. Be generous so that it can be hot. Put some salt. People who don't have health issues should not put more of the salt. Add some garam masala, which every Indian home has. Any masala would do. Masala should consist of coriander and all the other garam masala powder. Yeah. Then you add some curd, yogurt. Mix it gently with the hands. Mix them thoroughly so that the curd should go. The curd mix and the mix should go inside the flesh. Yeah. I forgot to add ginger paste, which I'll do in some time. Yeah, there goes the ginger paste. Sorry for the cuts. I am managing this on my own. So, when you know that you have mixed it well, keep it in the fridge till evening so that the whole meat get tenderized. And in the evening, we are going to the package, which will arrive by post by today. So this goes directly into the fridge. Lot of stuff in the fridge. Yeah, this goes for under 10 or 15 minutes in the fridge. So this is a video of rock tawa arriving at the destination. As you see, rock tawa is manufactured by Lakshmi Narsimha Foundries Private Limited, Coimbatore. It has come by speed post, the Indian speed post, and it is covered in a heavy corrugated box. Probably this is the bill. So bill, cut the bill off.
Okay.
So my daughter is helping me in this video. Yeah, so this is rock tawa tax invoice. Yeah, and cost 1350 rupees. So let's open the box now. That's the box there. Boxes come in a heavy package. Let's have a look inside. Oh, looks quite heavy. Yes, it has come in a bubble wrap, and it has come with an instruction manual. With a small instruction manual, it says, before first use, wash the product with mild detergent, dry it with clean cloth, apply oil generously on working surface, heat it at low flame till it smokes, switch off the stove and allow it to cool. Now you are good to go. And maintenance, it states, after use, just wash with water, dry it with clean cloth, apply oil on working surface and store. Yes, it is a made in India product, manufactured by Sri Lakshmi Narsimha Foundries, Coimbatore. They have their email address. It says skillet @shilpi.com. The website is www.rocktawa.com. As it says, on one side there is a branding called Rock, and quite heavy. I think it weighs around 4 or 5 kgs. It says Rock India, so let's rock it. So that's the tawa on the stove. We already washed it, and I'm drying it with a duster. Yeah, it's almost clean. So I'm putting the stove on. And adding some oil now. So the oil is more or less spread to the whole of the tawa. There's a nice handle which is not getting hot as it. If it gets hotter, then we'll use the duster to hold it. So now we are adding the chicken. मैरिनेट रख दिए। Oh, it's already browned. Looks good enough to eat. One side I think it is already done. Some part is sticking. So we'll wait till it's done completely. Also I'll let it cook. Probably I'll cover it with a lid for some time so that it cooks in the meantime. So as we remove the lid now, looks almost cooked and ready to eat. And now it's moving freely also. Oh wow! Look at the color. I really like the color. Oh yes. So one side is almost done. Makes a metallic noise. Oh, look at this. Look at this. My daughter is sure going to enjoy this. You know the colors. Yeah. The colors on the chick looks absolutely wonderful.
Nice chicken.
How does it look?
Yummy.
You have not even tasted it. How is it yummy?
By the look.
So let's see how it does. So that is rock tawa. People in India who want to buy a good. Yeah, the handle is warm now. Yeah, it's hot. So whenever you are using the handle, you have to use a cloth. So that was the review of rock tawa. Hope you liked it. See you soon with more reviews coming up.